There's no chili in Bahay Kubo song. Ink, ink, ink.
Wait. Cauliflower.
No! It's not an...
Wait. Is there saging?
Bahay Kubo. There's no saging.
Is it only vegetable?
Yeah, kasi... Oh yeah, it's only vegetable. So think about the vegetable that you see when you go to the grocery when mama buy vegetables.
Wait. Cabbage. Is there cabbage?
No, there's no cabbage in Bahay Kubo song. What are the vegetables that you know? Think about the colors of the vegetables. So you will have a clue.
Is it a carrot? Is it a carrot?
No, there's no carrot.
Hmm.
It's a yellow color.
Bell pepper.
There's no bell pepper now.
Ah.
What else? Yellow good for the eyes.
Yellow.
It's so much.
Is it?
Do you know the song?
Is it?
Do you know the song Bahay Kubo? Bahay Kubo kahit munti, ang halaman doon ay sari-sari. Okay, I'll give you one. Ay sari-sari. Sibuyas. Ay, nawala. Wala pa.
Cut the recording. Did you cut it?
I'll cut it. Okay.
Did you cut it now?
Oo. So I'll give.
Okay. I'll record it again before I say okra.
Record. Okay. Record again.
Is it recording?
Yes.
Okay. So is it? So the first vegetable is it pechay?
No bitchay in Bahay Kubo. Think about the gulay that mama is preparing for you when mama is doing making food. Or think about the teacher teaching you vegetables in the school. You know, in gulay they have different colors.
Wait. So is it okra?
Okra is there, yeah, okra.
Okay.
I will give you one.
Is there pechay?
No bitchay. Can I give you one?
No pechay. Yeah.
Sibuyas.
It's a hint.
Sibuyas. Do you know sibuyas?
No! You should never tell me the answer! Tell me the hint!
It's just a hint? Okay. Okay, the hint.
Cut it again. Cut
Okay,
it.
Cut.
You should never say the answer, okay?
Alright,
Okay. Record it again. No. Let me practice saying it. Did you record?
Not yet.
So, there is okra, sibuyas. That's okay. Record that.
Okay, record again. Okay. Record.
Okay, so is it recording?
Yeah, it's recording now.
I'll cut it again. I'm not ready.
Okay, cut again.
Okay, record.
Record. Okay. Record.
Okay, is it recording?
Yeah, it's recording now. Okay, tell my son we're going to tell... Okay, cut. I'm going to introduce you first. Okay.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay, so record na and introduce me.
Okay. I will record and introduce you now. So, Hello, good afternoon. My son is about to tell me or guess the vegetables in the Bahay Kubo song. Okay? So he's gonna tell me now. Okay. Shay Willam, do you have an idea?
Wait.
Ah,
Can I say something to the viewers?
okay, say something to the viewers.
For those teenage girls who are watching right now,
Mm?
I wanna say I love them.
Ha!
Thank you, bye.
Okay.
Okay. Let's continue.
Okay, let's continue. Okay, so my son is about to tell me or guess the vegetables he...
Wait, can I say one more time?
Okay.
For those who are watching this content,
Mhm.
it's only age 10 to it's only age 10 to 19 content here. So guys,
Okay. 10 to 19, age 10 to 19 only, our viewers supposed to be? Okay.
yeah, content. It's 10 to 19 in age content.
Okay. All right. Okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
So, okay. I have to introduce you first. Okay, again. So, my guest in my channel today is my son. He's 8 years old. His name is Shay Willem Johan. Okay. And...
No. Pretend that I'm 11. Cut it. Cut.
Okay, cut. Okay, cut.
Okay, make sure my son is age 12,
Uy.
not 7 not 8 because I don't want to show my real age.
Oh, okay. So, my son, he's 12 years old.
Okay. Record.
Okay, record. Hi, introducing to you my guest today's video is my son.
Make it correctly. Cut.
Cut.
Make sure you say the word correctly. Hi. So I'm gonna introduce my guest today. My son Shay William Johan L. Yorong, and he's age 12, born on July 3, 2010. I don't want to show my real.
Ah, okay.
I don't want to.
Is 2010 8 years old? 12 years old? Is 2010?
Oh, 14.
14. So you're 14?
Yeah. Okay, let's start.
Okay. Hi, good afternoon. My guest for today's video is my son. His name is Shay William Johan. And he is 14 years old. He was born July 3, 2017. Welcome to the show, Shay William.
Hi.
Aray ko. I'm not sure. Sorry, Johan. I'm gonna undo this again. I'm gonna cut and undo this again. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Chick, are you ready?
Did you cut it?
I think what you're gonna do is like, you have to be at the side first. You're not in the camera yet. And then you're gonna come to the camera after I introduce you. Okay?